Good morning, students. How are you? Yes, hope that all of you are healthy and fine in your homes. Are you preparing all the questions that are explaining for you? Very good. So now, after knowing about the different types of criteria of similar triangles, we have seen that try this in page number 207, and from there I gave you some questions as example, as homework. Okay, right. Now we go to the example 5. Example 5, observe carefully. A person 1.65 meters tall casts 1.8 meters shadow. So a person is 1.65 meters tall who casts a shadow of 1.8 meters. Okay, this represents a triangle. Let it be ABC, where AB is equal to height of man, which is equal to 1.65 meters, and BC is equal to length of shadow, which is equal to 1.8 meters. And next is, you see, I have read and I have drawn the figure and I wrote the information. Is it clear? The next, at the same instance means at the same time, at the same present time. Okay, a lamp post casts a shadow of 5.4 meters. At the same time, a lamp post casts a shadow of 5.4 meters. This is the shadow of the lamp post. At the same time means, you observe, I take a sun, the sun's rays falling on the objects. Is it clear? At the same time, the sun's rays are falling. If you observe all these rays are being parallel. That means they come at the same time here, they are parallel. So this is also parallel. They all lie on the same base, isn't it? That means these two angles become corresponding angles and they will be surely equal to one another. Is that clear? So at the same instance means I take this one as P, Q, R. Okay, so in triangle, this is in triangle ABC and in triangle PQR. So what is PQ? PQ is equal to height of tower. Height of tower, which is unknown to us, that is H meters, where QR is equal to length of shadow. Length of shadow, is it clear, is equal to 5.4 meters. Now you observe carefully, at the same time means we are showing that these two angles are equal. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, you can say angle B is equal to angle Q, which is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, right. Now these two angles, what are they? Angle C is equal to angle R, because so at the same time angles formed by sun are equal. At the same time angles formed by the sun are equal as they are the parallel lines. You can observe these two are the parallel lines and the base is a transversal, then you can get a corresponding angles there. Okay guys, now two angles and two angles are equal. You can say triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR basing A similarity. When they are similar to each other, we can equate the corresponding sides. Okay, therefore AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. What is AB? 1.65. What is PQ? That is H is equal to, this is 1.8 by 5.4. 1.8 ones and 1.8 threes. make a cross multiplication, you will get h is equal to 1.65 into 3, which is equal to 3 5 is 15, 3 6 are 18, 1 19 and 3 1s are 3, 1 4. So 4.95 meters is your height of the pole. Okay, did you understand the question? This is the height of the tower, and we find out that one using the similarity of the triangles. Right guys, very nice. Let us go to the next example, and that is example 6. Clear guys? So right, I hope that you understood it very well. Now we go to the example 6. So read once the question. What is example 6 given to us? Right. A man sees the top of a tower in a mirror, which is at a distance of 87.6 meters from a tower. Okay. The mirror is on the ground facing upwards. The man is 0.4 meters away from the mirror and his height is 1.5 meters. How tall is the tower? Okay, Nana, right. Once again, you read the question. A man sees the top of a tower in the mirror, which is at a distance of 87.6 meters from the tower. Okay, that means I have a tower here. So from this tower at a distance of 87.6 meters, isn't it? Right, very good. 87.6 meters, I have a mirror here. The top of this tower can be observed in this mirror, and the distance is 87.6 meters. From this position, the distance of the person is given as 0.4 meters and his height is given as 1.5 meters. And he is seeing the top of the tower. Observe carefully. This is the mirror, what you can observe here. In this mirror, I am seeing the top of the tower, and the tower is being appeared here. Asking to find the height of the tower. Okay guys, now let us take this one as A, B, C, and this is D, E, where angle D and angle B are 90 degrees. Okay guys, right. So from the figure, AB is equal to height of boy, that is equal to 1.5 meters. BC is equal to distance from mirror is equal to 0.4 meters, and CD is equal to distance of tower is equal to 87.6 meters. Okay, and the next one we go here. What are we doing? That we require to find the height of the tower, and ED or DE represents the height of the tower. DE is equal to height of tower. Is it clear? Right. Now if you observe, you can see here the angles are equal here, the two angles. So I write here in triangle ABC and triangle EDC, angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degrees. Now what is the another one we hear? Angle of incidence. See here, your eyes is getting a rays. So angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. Is it clear? Angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. So you can say that these two angles are equal. So angle BCA is equal to angle DCE. So angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, this is the rule. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Now two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of another triangle. So what do you say? Very good, Nana, very good. Triangle ABC similar to triangle EDC by AA similarity. When the two triangles are similar, you can equate the corresponding sides ratios. Now it's clear. You can do the answer. So AB by DE is equal to BC by CD. You can substitute the values. 1.5 by H is equal to 0.4 by 87.6. You can cancel with 4, isn't it? Can you cancel with 4? 4 2s, 4 1s. Yes, we can cancel. 4 1s, 4 2s are 8, and this is again 4 1s are 4.9. 4 9s 36. Make a cross multiplication. You will get H is equal to 1.5 into 21.9. 15 9s, how much do you get? 135. 15 months 15, you get 28 on adding 28. 15 2s 30 and 2 32. So 32.85 meters. 32.3 28.5. Yeah, of course. 328.5 meters, isn't it? Here we get 219, not 21.9, 219, and here you get the answer. Is it clear? Right. Practice these two examples. In the next class, we'll see the remaining examples. Bye.